Today we will walk through the process of creating an aesthetic design for your PowerPoint presentation. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program has loaded, allow a few moments for the interface to display before moving on to the next part of the journey. After PowerPoint is open, locate and open the presentation that you wish to redesign. This could be an existing project you have been working on, or a new file that requires a fresh, creative look. As you open your presentation, take a moment to review the content that is already in place so you have a clear idea of which visual elements you would like to enhance. Next, direct your attention to a specific slide that you intend to redesign. Whether you choose the title slide or any other slide in your presentation, click on it so that it becomes active on your screen. By selecting a single slide, you ensure that the changes you are about to make will be focused and tailored to that part of your presentation. This specificity allows you to target key slides that may benefit from a distinct or more modern aesthetic. Once the slide is selected, move your cursor over to the toolbar and locate the Design tab. This tab is where many of the creative options provided by PowerPoint reside. The Design tab houses a variety of tools intended to refine the overall look of your slides. When you click on the Design tab, you will notice several options that can help reframe your ideas visually. Within the Design tab, look towards the far right of the options. Here you will find the Designer option. This innovative feature is designed to quickly generate a selection of design ideas for your slide. When you click on Designer, an interactive panel appears on the right side of the screen, showcasing various aesthetically pleasing design options. These options are curated to help improve the visual appeal of your slide without needing advanced graphic design skills. Now that the Designer panel is open, carefully examine the aesthetic designs available for your slide. The selection typically includes multiple layouts and design themes, each crafted to complement the content on the slide. Take your time scrolling through the options presented in the right panel. Consider the harmony of colors, cohesiveness of layout, and overall balance that each design offers. Visual consistency can be key when it comes to maintaining a professional look throughout your presentation. Once you have reviewed the options, choose an aesthetic design that aligns with your vision and the message you wish to convey. The Designer tool makes it easy to preview specific elements including fonts, imagery, and layout adjustments. This interactive process not only saves time, but also ensures that your chosen design is modern and visually engaging. Following these steps will help you enhance the appearance of your presentation without overwhelming your creative process. Each action builds upon the previous one, guiding you through an intuitive transformation of your slide's overall look, ultimately helping you achieve a cohesive and visually attractive presentation design. Enjoy the process and the creative exploration that accompanies the journey toward a more aesthetic PowerPoint design.